If your day involves moving files, renaming folders, sorting reports, or copying data between applications, and you are doing all of it manually, you are spending hours every week on work that a machine should handle. Claude Cowork is a desktop tool built specifically for non-technical professionals who want to automate file and task management without writing a single line of code. Here's how it works and what you can do with it starting today. Claude Cowork is a desktop automation layer that sits between you and your files. Think of it as a highly capable operations assistant that can see your desktop environment, understand plain English instructions, and execute multi-step file and task workflows without you touching a single menu. You describe the task the way you would explain it to a new hire. Cowork figures out the logic, maps it to your file system, and executes it. No macros, no scripts, no IT ticket. Cowork's power sits across 3 areas. File automation. Any repetitive file operation you do more than once a week is a candidate. Sorting, renaming, archiving, flagging, duplicating, compressing. Cowork handles it in one instruction. Task automation. You can schedule recurring tasks using plain language. No cron jobs, no calendar hacks. Just tell Cowork when and what, and it runs on its own. Workflow chains. This is where Cowork separates itself. You can string together multiple steps into a single automated sequence, the kind of thing that would normally take you 15 minutes of clicking, done in under 10 seconds. Let's walk through a real use case. It's Friday afternoon. 5 teams have dumped their weekly update files into a shared folder. Different formats, inconsistent names, no structure. Normally, you'd spend 30 minutes cleaning this up before you can even begin your review. Watch what happens when you hand it to Cowork. One instruction. Cowork reads the file metadata, applies the naming convention, creates the subfolders, sorts every file correctly, and isolates the 3 files it couldn't confidently classify, flagging them for your review. What just took 4 seconds would have cost you 25 minutes, and the activity log gives you a complete audit trail, so you always know exactly what was moved, renamed, or flagged and when. 3 benefits that compound over time. Speed. Tasks that took 20 to 30 minutes of manual clicking collapse to seconds. Multiply that across your team and across 5 days. The hours recovered are significant. Consistency. Cowork applies the same logic every single time. No typos in file names, no forgotten subfolders, no "I thought someone else was handling that." Visibility. Every action is logged. You have a time-stamped record of what was done, what was flagged, and what was skipped, which matters the moment someone asks where a file went. Cowork is powerful, but precision in your instructions matters. Vague inputs produce clarification prompts, not action. The more specific you are about folder paths, naming conventions, and conditions, the more confidently Cowork executes. Also worth noting, Cowork won't force its way through files that are open or locked by another application. The highest leverage habit you can build with Cowork is a personal prompt library. Every time you write an instruction that works well, save it. Within 2 weeks, you will have a library of reusable automations covering your most frequent tasks, and anyone on your team can use them without understanding how they work. That is operational leverage without a developer in the room. Claude Cowork puts desktop automation in the hands of the people who need it most, the ones doing the work, without requiring any technical skill to get started. If you want to explore how intelligent automation can eliminate manual overhead across your entire operation, visit RPATech.ai, and let's build something that actually scales.